editing Kayla here, real quick. I just wanted to say that it just surfaced. I found it on Twitter last night that this girl, her toddler got into her alien pallet and ruined it, which is pretty devastating, I will say that. However, you shouldn't leave a plate of ranch from chicken nuggets on your bed where your toddler can get into it, first of all. Second of all, you should not hit your child. Like, this girl proudly stated that she beat her toddler's ass. She popped her one. Don't hit your kids. That's disgusting. And I hope she gets looked into. Back to my video.
I'm so excited. Like, I'm not conspiracy palette excited, but I'm pretty darn excited. I have bloodlust in here. I have to leave for work, like, preferably in the next 15 minutes, and I still haven't made my lunch yet, but I cannot go my entire shift knowing that this is sitting here at home waiting for me to open. So we're at least gonna open it, and then I will come back later tonight and I will film like a true first impression. Let's open it. I got a knife. I have a box cut, like an actual box cutter somewhere, but I wasn't gonna take the time to look for that. I'm opening it this way so y'all don't see my address. Oh, I got the Jeffree Star packaging this time. When I got Conspiracy, I don't know if it's because it was such a big launch, because I bought like the whole collection or what, but it wasn't packaged like at all. My Conspiracy package, it just came in a box. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. And I do want to say real quick, I really like that this is like in really good condition. All they did is just kind of like that. They didn't wrap it. It's still like really flat in really good condition. So I'm obviously going to be like a hoarder and hold on to it for literally no reason. Oh my god, I'm dying. I'm dying. Hold on, let me get it out of the bubble wrap. It's too squeaky. Look at it. Look at it. It feels so good. So this is like the bumper. It's Jeffree was not kidding. Even like the box for it, it's really nice, I think, honestly. This is like the softest velvet I have ever felt. Oh my god. Jeffree's little plate there. Okay, I see it. So the clasp is very, like, it's not, like, I know in the video, his video, he said it was like a jewelry box clasp, but I was still thinking something that actually, like, lifts. But it's very, I feel like I need to be gentle with it. Not because it's not made well, but it's not like a clasp that I'm used to. Let's open her up. Hello. Okay, upon immediately pulling it out, I think Wet Jewel chipped a bit because some of it is on like the film. I don't know if that's translating on camera. You can definitely see it right there. But it's definitely like not noticeable at all. Everything looks to be in shape. None of my shades, like everything in the pan looks really good. Is a bit of smudging under Beauty Sleep. Again, can't tell if that's translating on camera, which makes me think maybe like during production it got chipped a little bit and they kind of wiped it off. But otherwise, my pans look great. Always a fear whenever you ship makeup. This palette feels amazing. Like, Jeffrey does not play when it comes to his packaging. I really love the details on the side. I cannot tell how well this is translating. The little, like, I am going to get the most satisfying part out of the way, though. ASMR. I really like how the velvet is kind of, like, it's not like smooth. It's got like that textured look to it. Like, it's kind of bunched up in places. So I definitely need to finish getting ready for work. I will be back in about 11 hours. And we're gonna play. And we're gonna swatch. I at least satisfied myself by opening it. So it is open. And we're gonna play with it when we get back. I'm so excited. All right, I gotta go to work now. Bye. I'm home. The workday is over. I finally get to play with my palette. I'm so excited. So we're back. We're back home, and we've got our new child with us here today, and I can't quit touching it. It's just so, the velvet, it feels so good. It's gonna get so messy, but it feels so good. I'm going to go ahead, do some swatching tonight, and then maybe do one eye look, but I'm gonna put pause on recording. And tomorrow during the daytime, I'll go ahead and do a full makeup look with this palette, and I can't wait. So let's go ahead and get started with our swatches.
So I was going to put in some like copyright music here, and then I couldn't find any that I liked that matched the vibe of the swatches. So here's just me talking about how I don't have music for my swatches. Anyway, back to the video. Bye.
Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? I think I did it wrong. It's the next day, so I filmed my swatches. I filmed my first unboxing, first impression, and then now last night I did end up playing with it just a little bit, try and get a look pulled out. I will be flat out honest. It took me three tries to get like a look that I actually enjoyed. I don't know if it's because it's new colors that I'm working on playing with, a new style, you know, trying to blend. I really don't know. I can't say for sure. The first look I tried, I ended up only using like 2 colors, and I couldn't get it to blend right, or I don't really know. So here we are. We still have our beautiful palette. I ended up using, first of all, I don't think I talked about it yesterday, but the plastic covering is very thick. Like, I don't know if you can hear that, but that is thick. My brows, first of all, look really good right now. Look at them. Hi, honey. How are you? I'm gonna take Royal Pain in with a fluffy brush. And I'm gonna do that all over the lid, just like as a base. And again, I'm not going in with like, this translates really well on camera. I like that. I think I'm gonna go into Deviant. And I'm gonna put that around the top here, just along the outside. And I'm gonna use the same fluffy brush. I'm gonna go in with Scandal Water again, and I'm gonna put it right about here and just kind of smoke it a little bit. Not a lot, I'm not gonna use a lot, but I'm just gonna pat it on. Regretting Scandal Water now.
let's go in, take Deviant, and I'm just using a flat brush, and I'm just gonna pack it in the corner. And we'll go in with a little more Royal Pain. I can't, it looks really nice on camera, but I really honestly can't tell if I like it. But I'm afraid to go like do anything crazier with it because I really don't want to mess it up. Now, I'm definitely a girl that loves like a bit of just blended out sparkle on the inner corner. I think every good eye look needs a little sparkle. So I think I don't want to do Sworn Enemy. Listen, is gorgeous. It like comes on like melted gold. Wet Jewel is literally liquid pink pearl. Like I can't even, but I think that would be too much for a look like this. I think I'm gonna go with Take the Crown, and we're gonna use a flat brush and just kind of blend that out a bit. Okay, so I went ahead and I don't even remember where I left off last, but I went ahead and just finish off the look off camera by myself so I could really take my time, not focus on talking or anything like that. Final thoughts on our beautiful queen, Bloodlust. I like it. I do. It's Jeffree Star. The quality is amazing. You know, Jeffree doesn't do anything half-assed. But I feel like I'm going to get dragged for saying this. I probably didn't need this at launch. I'm not saying that the color story's bad. I'm not saying that any of the products are bad. I'm not saying that the color story's bad. I'm not saying that any of the products are bad, because it is. It is a Jeffree Star product. He worked so hard on it, and it shows. But maybe I'm just having a hard time vibing with it. I really don't know what it is, but something about this palette is just, it is. It's gorgeous. Look at it. It's beautiful. And I know some people are really iffy about the whole color story. The clasp, I'm less concerned with the clasp now. When I first opened it, I literally thought I was going to break it. But the palette, I don't know if I don't know if I need to work with it more. Because sometimes, you know, you got to get used to the color story. You got to figure out what looks good with what. But I don't know if it's just the looks that I've tried. Listen, I do think this looks gorgeous. I think this is a really pretty eye look, and I think it's one of the prettiest that I've done. But I had a difficult time putting it together, and it might just be me. I swear it might just be me, because I have only seen positive reviews. Maybe I'm the only person that's going to say it, but I'm just having a hard time working with this color story. I really am. It's gorgeous. Like, look at Executioner, though, like, in the light. Look at her. It might just be, honest to God, me. So don't drag me. Don't come for me, because I do like this palette. I think she's pretty. I think she's gorgeous. I stan. Am I going to reach for her every time I do my makeup? I don't know yet. I'm just going to give her some more time. I'm going to work with her some more. And, you know, if I wear her, I wear her. If I don't, then I guess I gave Jeffree Star $54. That's all I can say. Let me know what you think. If you bought Bloodlust, let me know what you think. Let me know how you feel about her. Honest to God, like Bible, truth, all of that. On God. Just tell me how you feel about it, because
I've personally only seen positive things. Granted, I've said positive things, but maybe I'm the only one that's kind of on the fence about her. Like, and I'm not talking about people talking about the color story. I'm talking about people who have actually received the palette and used the palette. Is anybody else just kind of like on the fence, you know? Or is it just me? It might, honest to God, just be me. And that's okay, but don't come for me, please. Like, the formula's great. Everything about this is Jeffree Star. It is. And I have no complaints in regards to that. The product quality is amazing. I don't know. I'm just going to say that it's me at this point because I'm just talking in circles. Because, like, it's gorgeous. It's so pretty. Like, I love looking at it. I love the colors. Otherwise, let me know what you think of the video. I put out new videos every Friday. Check out the description for my socials. Trying to do this social media thing. I don't think it's working, but we're getting there. Otherwise, I hope everyone has a great weekend, great next week. I will see you next Friday. Bye. I'm staring at this palette wrapped in bubble wrap right now, and I'm worried about this freaking free sample.